Python question 4. Write a function which takes an integer argument num and returns the first num Fibonacci sequence values as a list. The Fibonacci sequence is an infinite sequence. Its first value is 0, the second value is 1, then all values are the sum of the preceding two values. For example, the third value is 1, which is the sum of 0 and 1. The fourth value is 2, which is the sum of 1 and 1. The sequence then just continues. A function which can generate the Fibonacci sequence, if passed the argument 6, should return the following 6 values in a list. The function will be defined as follows, with the parameter num. Initially we create the list with just the first two values of the Fibonacci sequence. We'll be using a list comprehension to build the Fibonacci sequence. Python has list comprehensions as a compact and easy way to build lists. The square brackets wrapping the code is a syntax for building a list comprehension. So we already have two members of the Fibonacci sequence in the list. If the function is called with argument 6, the list comprehension just needs to create 4 additional values, as we already have the first two values of the Fibonacci sequence. The range function will be passed to number 4, so the for statement will iterate 4 times, appending values to the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci values are calculated by adding fiblist minus 1 in square brackets to fiblist minus 2 in square brackets. These are for our current list of Fibonacci numbers, the last value and the value preceding the last value. So we're adding Fibonacci values to our list and then moving a window through the list. The backslash after the plus operator is just a line continuation, which means Python views the 2 lines of code within the square brackets as a single line. The fib list is returned using the following syntax. This is to ensure that no matter what argument is passed to the getFib function, whether it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., the correct number of elements of a Fibonacci sequence are returned.